What's up guys, I got right here Garviner, cheapest chainsaw on Amazon. I think I paid $140, and this thing is kind of weird. I think something I never seen before. It has the switches on and off, electric ones, and it has a filter. Pretty crazy. So let's fill it up with gas and oil, and let's see how much damage can it do. It takes a lot of gas, that's for sure. Oh no, honest mistake. I put the chain backwards. Haven't been doing chainsaw for a while, so that's why it's not cutting. Remove this thing, flip it over, I'll come back around. Okay, first impressions is not bad with this thinner log. Got it off really fast. It's just so strange for $140. Very powerful. Okay, let's try to cut up something bigger. I'm surprised guys, this thing shreds through it pretty quick. 18 inches chainsaw, pretty awesome. Right here telling you kick back. You all know what it is before start chainsaw. Watch a lot of safety videos if you're a newbie. I'm still a newbie by the way guys. I only work with a firewood that already been fallen. I don't take down the trees. Let's see the filter. It says 10-hour filter. I don't see nothing wrong with that. I guess you'd unspin it and take it apart. That's cool. Whatever it is for, but it seems like pretty easy to clean. But yeah, $140. It's pretty cool. I'm surprised. If you don't feel like spending $400 for 18 inches chainsaw, that could be useful. But again, just be careful. Chainsaws are very dangerous. Okay, gonna chop up some more firewood over here. Let's see how well it's going to start. There's on and off. Choke probably don't need to be started. See if it starts anyway. All day. You check on your chainsaw every time you start anyways. $140 18 inches chainsaw. It works.